Today you says it is nearing to end of the day, although it is right, but my experience are little different. I always get best crowd of the day only during the closing ceremony of the day. So I am going to be active beyond the working hours. Anyhow, with regards to footfall is concerned, yes, when I came for this exhibition, I have not come for this kind of footfall. I was not very confident of this kind of footfall. Why? A, winter is there. B, it is raining. C, it is the other area, other end, that is Noida. So I was not very confident how many persons will take the pain and they will come. But yesterday and today, my all thought process were wrong. I was wrong in my thought process. We had a fantastic footfall. When I say footfall, now I just want to elaborate you what kind of footfall. See, number one, as an exhibitor, your company is deputing a number of persons. Is that become a part of footfall when they go for round on the entire exhibition? According to me, no, they are here. B, you are inviting your number of guests, customers, because they are your customer and they have to obey the principle. They are coming. If they become part of footfall, maybe for the organizer, maybe for the media, but not for me. No. So what is footfall for? For me, the footfall, the guests who are not my invitees, nor they are from the exhibitor side, but those who come their own as walk-in customer, as walk-in visitor. They are the real visitor, and I have witnessed them in last 2 days. Now, who are they? Are they Indian? Certainly, of course, but it was not confined only to India, international. We had a visitor today I had a visit from Turkey, Russia. Yesterday again, we attended visit from Russia, CIS countries. So we had a footfall of international, domestic as well as international. This is what I am talking, which I explained. But on my booth, at least on 3 occasions, I was seen group of foreigners. Of course, they were attended by my other team members because it is not possible for one person to attend each and every customer. So the footfall was good, no doubt about it. Footfall was not confined only to India, the international footfall. Now coming back to India, they were from NCR region because the event is in NCR. NCR to sabhi aayenge because it is in your hometown. No, what I am referring is we had visitors from East, Andhra, Tamil Nadu. We had a visitor from Gujarat. We had a visitors from Rajasthan. So that shows the real visitors. So in nut and shell, good footfall, quality footfall. Yes, Earthmax is an all-steel radial tire. Our focus nowadays is more and more on radial technology, radial tires, and Earthmax is a part of the same. It is meant for high-speed train. Now question comes, sir, ये तो construction का show है, high-speed train का क्या? Anybody can think on it, but they forget to build metro, to build bridges. You need heavy cranes, and heavy crane needs quality tire, quality radial tire. And we have a solution, which is a part of Atmanirbhar Bharat. We have a solution. I know we don't import all steel radial tire. Solution is available. So these tires we have displayed. We have also displayed very recently designed and developed for mining dump trucks of 90 to 100 ton capacity with multi-axles. These are different kind of dump trucks which need 10 tires, 5 tires each side, that we have designed and developed in India, and recently we have displayed it here. There are 2 segments we have focused. As I told you, our focus is on all steel radial technology. Both the segments are designed, developed as per the requirement of all steel radial technology tires. And this become import substitute. And once it is import substitute, we become active part of Atmanirbhar Bharat. Yesterday, I have attended the speech of Shri Nitin Gadkari. The speech was very vibrant. The way he has explained what kind of project is going to announce for not only for the metros but tier 2, tier 3 cities. The way he is going to allocate dedicated fund. The way he is going to improve the transportation sector. So all need equipments. All need equipments. If you need the equipments, you need the tires. So I foresee why only current year, because these are the projects which will not be covered in 1 year time. It may take 3 to 5 years time. So I foresee good market for till these projects get completed, and by that time government want to develop the entire India. So if these projects are either halfway through or near to completion, more new projects will be added. So I see future is bright, good future for especially tire manufacturer like tire maintenance is a altogether different subject, which is very critical as far as the mining sector is concerned. And what you have to maintain is the normal inspection of the tire and air pressure maintenance. These two parameters is very important. All these machines are very expensive. I have full confidence that machine owner takes good care of this maintenance. With regards to damages, that could be the various reasons, and there is no comment on that. No, we have a solution for everything. It's depend on the machine operator. If he is doing one kind of job, will you like to change the tire or not? We have a solution, but it will be depending on the individual taste. No, wear and tear in tire is altogether different subject. It's a very high subject. It's not like metal industries. There are hundreds of factors involved in that can be studied on case-to-case basis. More and more machine is going to come in India, more and more production is going to be in India, and more tire requirement will be there.
Right.
And it will be part of our Bharat.
Atmanirbhar.
If you are importing the machine and if you need the tire, if I have a solution, the solution is available, ready-made to you. Yeah, this is what we are ready. Like that is the reason our product basket is today contains more than 3,300 plus SKUs, stock keeping units, tire, specialty tire.